Scene script. Have you ever wondered what it takes to master the skills needed for a successful career in technology? As we journey through 2024, the importance of tech job skills is more pronounced than ever before. We exist in a digital age where technology is not just an asset, but a necessity. It's a dynamic world that evolves at an astonishing pace, and to keep up, one must equip oneself with the right skills. Tech job skills are the new lingua franca of the professional world. They are the tools that help us navigate complex systems, solve problems, and create innovative solutions. But remember, in this fast-paced industry, learning is a continuous process. To stay ahead, we need to consistently update our skills and adapt to new technologies. Mastering tech job skills is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort and a willingness to stay updated. Get ready to embark on this exciting journey to unlock your potential and achieve success in the tech world. So, what are these essential tech job skills you need to master? Well, let's take a journey to unlock success. Picture tech job skills as a three-layered cake, each layer representing a category of skills: hard skills, soft skills, and hybrid skills. Starting at the base, we have hard skills. These are the technical know-hows, the concrete abilities you can learn, practice, and measure. Coding languages like Python or Java, data analysis, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and machine learning fall into this category. They're the foundation of your skill set, the ones you'll often see listed in a job description. Without these, it's like trying to bake a cake without flour. You simply can't. Moving up to the second layer, we encounter soft skills. While they might not sound as glamorous as hard skills, they're equally important. Soft skills encompass abilities that help you work effectively and harmoniously with others. Communication, problem-solving, adaptability, teamwork, and creativity are all soft skills. They're the butter that keeps the cake moist and flavorful, enhancing the hard skills and making you a well-rounded candidate. Finally, we reach the top layer, the frosting on our cake, hybrid skills. These are a blend of hard and soft skills specific to the tech industry. Think project management in a tech environment, or understanding user experience and design thinking. Hybrid skills are what set you apart. They show that you can not only do the job, but also lead, innovate, and take an idea from concept to completion. They're the cherry on top of your cake, the skills that make you stand out in a crowd of equally qualified candidates. Each layer of this cake is crucial. Missing one would make the whole thing collapse. So, whether you're a seasoned tech professional looking to upskill or a newbie aiming to break into the industry, understanding these three categories of skills is the first step towards mastering them. Remember, a cake isn't baked in a minute, and neither are skills. It takes time, practice, and patience. But with the right ingredients and a little bit of heat, you'll have a delicious cake, or in this case, a successful tech career. Understanding these three categories of skills is the first step towards mastering them. Now that you know what skills you need, how do you go about mastering them? Well, in the dynamic world of technology, there are various methods to acquire and improve these skills. The first and most accessible way is online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer a plethora of courses that cover a wide range of tech skills. Whether it's coding, data analysis, or cybersecurity, there's a course out there that can guide you step by step. Self-learning is another powerful tool. With the internet at your fingertips, the opportunities for self-learning are vast. Websites like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and many others offer communities where you can learn from others, ask questions, and get feedback. It's a great way to challenge yourself and learn at your own pace. But there's a catch. The tech industry is not just about knowing how to do something, it's about understanding why you're doing it and how it impacts the bigger picture. That's where real-world practice comes in. Apply your skills to real-world problems. Participate in hackathons, contribute to open-source projects, or create your own. This not only gives you practical experience, but also helps you understand the context of your work. Finally, never underestimate the power of networking. Connect with people in the tech industry through platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Attend tech meetups and conferences. Not only can you learn from their experiences, but these connections could also open up opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and even jobs. The path to mastering tech job skills isn't a linear one. It's a combination of structured learning, self-guided exploration, real-world application, and building relationships. It's about being adaptable, resilient, and never stopping the pursuit of knowledge. Remember, acquiring skills is an active process. You need to be engaged and proactive. So, start today. Sign up for that online course, join that coding challenge, reach out to that industry professional. Your journey to unlocking success in technology careers in 2024 begins now. Acquiring skills is one thing, but how do you ensure you've truly mastered them? It's a question that can be a game changer in the tech industry, where the landscape is constantly shifting and new skills are perpetually emerging. The answer lies in three key concepts: practical application, feedback, and continuous learning. Let's delve into each one to understand their significance. Practical application is the first and arguably most crucial step towards mastering a skill. You see, theoretical knowledge can only take you so far. It's when you start applying what you've learned in real-world scenarios that the pieces of the puzzle start falling into place. Think of it as the difference between knowing the rules of chess and actually playing a game. The former can be learned from a book, but the latter requires hands-on experience. Next up is feedback, the compass that guides you on your journey towards mastery. Without feedback, it's easy to veer off course. Constructive criticism, peer reviews, and evaluations can highlight areas for improvement that you might have overlooked. It's like having a mirror that reflects not just your strengths, but also your weaknesses, helping you to become a more rounded professional. Last but not least is the concept of continuous learning. In the tech industry, complacency can be your worst enemy. With new technologies and methodologies emerging at a rapid pace, continuous learning is not just an option, but a necessity. It's the fuel that keeps the fire of curiosity burning, pushing you to explore, innovate, and improve. So how do you incorporate these concepts into your learning journey? Projects, internships, and mentorship can be your allies. Projects allow you to apply your skills in a controlled environment. Internships provide real-world exposure and feedback, while mentorship offers guidance and support from experienced individuals. Remember, the road to mastery is not a straight line, but a winding path filled with challenges and rewards. Every step you take, every mistake you make, and every success you celebrate brings you one step closer to becoming a master. True mastery comes from application and continuous improvement. So keep learning, keep applying, and most importantly, keep improving. Your journey to mastering essential skills for tech jobs in 2024 starts today. To wrap up, let's summarize the steps to mastering tech job skills. The journey to success in the tech industry is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about understanding the terrain, training effectively, and preparing for the long haul. This journey begins with a comprehensive understanding of the skills required for your desired tech job. These skills may range from coding languages such as Python or Java, to understanding complex algorithms, to mastering data analysis or cybersecurity protocols. Your first step is to map out these skills, understand their relevance to your career goals, and establish a learning path. The second step involves active learning. This is where you roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of technology. You might be learning through online courses, attending boot camps, or even getting a formal degree. The key here is to ensure that your learning is active and not passive. Engage with the material, practice what you've learned, and challenge yourself with projects that push you out of your comfort zone. Remember, the most effective learning happens when we are actively involved, not just passively consuming information. Next, we move on to the application of these skills. This is where you put theory into practice. It could be through internships, personal projects, or even creating solutions for real-world problems. By applying what you've learned, you're not only solidifying your understanding, but also proving to potential employers that you can deliver real value. Finally, it's all about continuous improvement. Technology is a dynamic field, constantly evolving and reshaping itself. As a tech professional, you need to stay on top of these changes. This involves continuous learning, seeking feedback, and improving your skills. It's about going back to step one and understanding the new skills that are now relevant, actively learning them, applying them, and then improving on them. So you see, mastering tech job skills is not a one-time event. It's a cyclical process of understanding, learning, applying, and improving. It's about being proactive, staying curious, and being willing to constantly learn and grow. It's about understanding that the job does not end when you clock out. It's a lifestyle, a commitment to your personal and professional growth. In this ever-changing landscape of technology, it's not just about what you know, but how quickly you can learn and adapt. And this adaptability, this ability to learn and grow, is what will set you apart in the tech industry. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you know and can do. Because the more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to learn. And that's the beauty of the tech industry. It's a field where curiosity is rewarded, where learning is continuous, and where the possibilities are endless. Mastering tech job skills is a continuous journey. Stay curious, stay active, and you'll unlock your success in the tech industry.